How to treat customer data. Protect it like it's yours to be treated. Every customer has different expectations, and it's apparent in the digital world. It entirely depends on you how you should monitor their data by keeping intact the customer's privacy. You have to deliver superior customer experiences by tweaking the data and privacy policy. It all started with a story. A woman bought a great magazine related to science and culture. She enjoyed the magazine pretty well and she subscribed it monthly. Reading that magazine is really a fascinating experience for her. Undoubtedly it was a hit. Later, few other magazine ads started coming on her mail. Things are changing. Within a few weeks, the other magazine offer mails become a regular visitor to her inbox. Then the mail asking for donations from numerous charitable foundations started arriving on her inbox. Finally, she became familiar with receiving political mails. Now you will realize it's not just a story, it's the situation for all the people today. Why things got worse? It's because she has activated a digital subscription. How has it happened? The magazine agency she subscribed for has sold her data to other marketers. In the end, she had no other option. She cancelled the subscription. But you have to deliver superior customer experiences by tweaking the data and privacy policy. How can you do it? Here are the golden rules for you. Follow the conventional methods and become a pro marketer. 1. Ask for the data. Never buy it. 2. Customers should get something in return. 3. Approve the consent before selling or sharing user data. Why you should rely on us. We understand how the market works and how the audience thinks precisely. That is why we always show success in delivering results. Here are the business benefits we offer, including all online marketing services, maximum ROI, enhanced or 100% CRO, tremendous traffic, high inbound traffic, robust online presence, getting customers with customer retention, loyal and long-term customers, high business growth online. Looking for the contact details? Visit here. digitextechnologies.com. Contact 020-8144-3224.